Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. The next one I'm going to show you is the callout. So again, tools, markups, come down here to callout. These are basically the same tool, but with the callout, it's asking you to first point at something. So I'm going to point at this door tag, come off to the side over here, place my note where I want it to be, and then it's going to flash again asking me what I want that note to say. Oops. There it is. What's nice about the callout is I can move this note around now, and that leader or arrow stays attached to that. I'm not drawing a text box and then separately drawing an arrow to whatever I'm pointing at. That creates two markups in our markups list and just becomes more cumbersome to modify or adjust. So we like the callout tool here, so we can use those arrows that are attached to that markup. Well, that's what I have for you today, a little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.